Hello everyone, welcome to Full Circle Trader. I hope you all are doing fine. So just tell me in the comment box, how was your day? We have Diwali approaching soon. I'm sure many of you must be busy with your families and friends. In the meanwhile, if we can get the opportunity to make some amount, that would be great. I would really love to have some money for my family, so which is why we all do a lot of hard work day in day out. Okay, so let's wait just for a couple of seconds for others to join in. Let's wait for some more people to join in. We are on time, and let's see how many of us can make it on time today. So in the meanwhile, if you can tell me if you have taken any trades in Nifty, Bank Nifty, or any stock, and how was it? Were you able to make good amount or not? Most importantly, I would really like to know that is my channel able to give you anything in extra, like let's say if you are a trend following trader or if you are a price action based trader, so were you able to get something from my videos? Were you able to understand how to maybe before watching my videos you have some sort of perception and knowledge about the markets, and you were taking the trades on your own based on your experience and knowledge, but after watching the videos were you able to connect some dots, and were you able to make consistent amount of money? I would really like to know that, and if you can just share those ideas and those views, I would really love it. So today we will go ahead and keep the session short because this is only for the Muhurat trading. So as we know that Muhurat trading is most probably only for 1 hour. So I think on some platforms it is they have mentioned it from 6 to 7:15. On Fires they have sent the notification that Muhurat trading will be within the period of 6:15 to 7:15. So be ready for that time. So what we do is because it's just a very short 1 hour trading session, so we'll focus only on the intraday time frames today. We will focus on the 60-minute and 15 minutes to see what should we do. We will definitely take our bias from the daily, and then we'll see what opportunity we can take advantage of on the Muhurat trading day. So if you remember yesterday I have mentioned that I usually take my credit spread trades on Friday, and if for some reason I missed it on Friday, then I take it on Monday. So I have taken one spread trade not today, and there were some logic that why I have taken the trade. So that I'm going to discuss, that I have kept at the end of the session. So please do watch the entire video, and at the end I will tell you that what spread I have made today and what was the logic behind it. So let's just jump on to a small analysis part here for the Muhurat trading. So before that, we have kind of nice session. So the daily chart of Fires is not yet updated, so we take a look at on the trading view chart. So this was today's session. If you can see, if you have traded today, prices open gapped up and they came down. So almost this kind of a session today, but the volume has spiked up. Here we have the less volume, but here the volume have spiked up. And let's just go back to the Fires chart. Then we should not forget that now we are near to the resistance area. There's a small cluster of price based resistance is definitely going to play its role. So we need to be very careful while taking the trades. So with that bias, prices are above the 50 MA and the 20 MA. So we have a long bias here, And let's just look at the 60-minute chart. So, prices were nicely making higher highs and higher lows, and if you can see that, this was the low. Here we have higher low, here we have higher low, and here we have higher highs. So nice uptrend. Prices are on 20 MA on support. So the bias is definitely positive. VIX is at 17, so no short side. And the only thing is that we are not near to this resistance area, which is around 17,700. Now prices have closed at 17,500. If you remember, 17,500 has long been a kind of level which Nifty was trying hard to break, and now when it has broken that level, there are pretty much good chances that Nifty will keep on moving ahead to reach the 18,000 level, which could be the next target point for this market. So in my opinion, if let's say prices open and if it clears this resistance area, then definitely I will buy a call here. If it pullbacks and make some kind of a either a failure pattern or a retest pattern and then it starts to move back up, then I will buy a call, taking the stop loss at the appropriate location. Okay, so there is one more thing that I wanted to discuss, but let's move on to the 15-minute chart before that. So this is the 15-minute time frame. Although we take our scalp trades on the 2-minute, but 15-minute is our main time frame to take the bias for the scalping trades after seeing what is happening on the daily and 60. So we have taken our bias from the daily time frame, and we know that the bias is on the upside. Now I think on 15-minute chart we have one resistance here which Nifty has created around 17,600, and if prices crosses this resistance area, then definitely there is a no-brainer trade to the long side. In case if it moves down, because today prices have closed below the moving average, so let's say if it moves down, then we will wait for the right pattern. I will not buy put or go short in the market until prices will clear these areas, this resistance area and below here. So for that it has to gap down with good number of points, and if that would happen, then definitely it's short bias. So usually the Muhurat tradings are kind of selling sessions. That is what I have seen over the years. People try to book profit or try to take intraday trades and then just come out of the trade. So that increases some bit of selling in the market. So if that would happen, because we have a very small window to take the trade and come out of the trade, so whatever price action will tell us on that day will go according to that. So I think right at the opening, if market will open let's say at 6:15, so where is the first candle is opening, and if the first 15-minute candles high gets broken, we'll go ahead, buy a call and scalp it on the 2-minute chart based on how the price movement develops in that time frame. Here I'm not going to share where should you keep your stop loss, because I want you guys to tell me this on the comment box, because I want you guys to come up with your questions, come up with your ideas and tell me that where should ideally we keep our stop loss if we take trade based on 15-minute or let's say 2-minute. So with that we have just reached to the end of this session. So I have taken a spread trade today that I was discussing in the beginning. So I have taken 17,200 which I shorted, and I bought the 17,000 price level. So that's make the one spread here. So why I have taken a spread? So first reason is the bias. So as we have seen that Nifty is slowly approaching towards the 18,000 level. So that gives me some bit of confidence to go long. That is why I have shorted the put spread. Put spread is neutral to bullish kind of strategy, and which is why I have shorted the bull put spread, right? Second reason is the trend that we have discussed. Third reason is the safety. From safety point of view, we have so many hurdles. We have one hurdle here at 17,500, and we have 17,300, and I don't think that market is gonna breach all these level at one go, especially when a Monday is kind of off day. We have only 1 hour of window for trading, which means that on this weekend the decay is gonna move much faster. And the fourth reason is that I got a good premium on these levels. Looking at the safety pattern trend and the theta decay, I decided to short 17,200 and 17,000 for the put spread. Now let's just quickly see the bank Nifty chart here, and we'll check it out on the trading view chart because FIRE's chart are not yet updated. So this was the session today, and bank Nifty was very bullish as compared to Nifty. So we have a bias. We have approached to this resistance area. So we have this high at 41,800. Market has closed around 40,700 here. So let's just quickly move down to the 60-minute time frame. Okay, so again we have a very nice higher highs and higher lows, a series of very nice price action here. So we have a kind of breakout here which has cleared this resistance area, and prices are kind of taking a it has, this bar is particularly has moved below all the previous bars, but then eventually it came back up, which means it's a kind of failure bar which has which must have trapped many of the traders, and now it is moving to the upside. So my point would be that if prices will clear this high also, will go long in this market. So the bias is on the bullish side. Let's just look at the 15-minute time frame. So this is what is happening, a kind of range bound market up until yesterday, and today we have a nice breakout, which the first bar has closed at its high. It has taken out all this resistance here, so it is looking bullish, and in fact more bullish than Nifty. So I think if price momentum is much higher on the Muhurat trading session, then we should take the trade. We should give preference to bank Nifty because it is looking more bullish than Nifty, and for a small window like 1 hour on the Muhurat trading, we should go with the instrument, go with the market which has more momentum. So that's about it in this session. I wish you and your family a very happy and prosperous Deepavali. Stay safe, stay healthy, make a lot of money. That's a wish from my side to all of you, and shower your love on me and my family as well. Give me your blessings. Please do like the channel. Please subscribe the channel, like this video, and if there is anything that you think that I should improve upon, please give me the feedback and I will surely work on it. So with that, wish you all a very happy Deepavali again. So enjoy with your family. Take care.